Somebody tell you say I'm coming for your crown and you gingerly hand over your crown to them. Nobody never back gun on your head and say go play a match with him. Nobody never stick you up. So why did you? Why did you? I know everybody has said one blonde them. One blonde them. That's why I tell you don't cause. Take it like a champ. Take the loss like a champ because them soon stop saying one blame them. Can't blame them not have nothing for offer. Then you think blame them have nothing for offer, blame them not even have prank.
It's the second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one epa passa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye y'all.
Not sending requests to anyone to disrespect them for my gain. I'm not doing that, and that's the difference. That's the difference. So Jaden, when you hear Shalom say, Jaden must come down, and you hear blame them come on and say, dirty thinking boy, worthless, dirty, careless boy, you will never sit on live and curse me, and the mere fact I am there with you, like that, throughout the cursing, may I accept it, you're not curse me. You're not cursing me. Yeah, you're not going to do that. Yeah, I work too hard to get here. Whether I rob, steal, kill, sex, suck, lick, cha, bite, vomit, I worked really hard to get here. And I will not allow you to curse my existence. Never. Never did I ever do it. That's why I can't fathom how them play match under disrespect. I cannot understand. You know, say I never tell you the truth. Me personally don't look and blame them live, not even when in my For You page. I don't even. You know, some of them that stop I say maybe even them, I don't even. You know why? Everybody have them hang ups, you know. And everybody have them style. But I will never sit and make you constantly using that style on me. Never. Me not play no much. You have to go start your line and class me behind my back. That you have to go do. That you have to do. So Jaden, you should never engage in a battle with blame them. Never. Never. That's where you gave up your power. That is where you gave up your power. You didn't know that. Yeah, the aim for blame them is to take you down. It's not to build you up. It's to take you down. If you had played with Destiny, just say, and Destiny win you. Today nobody would not real for Destiny, you know. You would have still be the man. Don't you understand? So yeah, me know why you say that. Because if you play with blame them and everybody attacks them, blame them come for a hype, even him same come for clout. Why would I play with somebody who come for clout? Eh? You know, when somebody want clout by any means necessary, I will stand on your head in order to take your spot. Yeah, pick your ups wisely. Somebody say it different. Because you want it to be different. You wanted it to be different. You want it to be different. That's why I'm uneducated. Because when I individualize the situation, and that's what I'm doing. Any old Destiny did win Jaden wouldn't feel bad. Let me rephrase it then, since you cannot comprehend. if Destiny had beaten Jaden, Jaden would not have felt this bad. So when you say it's two different scenarios, explain it to me now. Because you're supposed to get teacher one time at school. So make it make sense when you say two different something. Stay in school. Stay in school. Well, you wasted all your time. Somebody tell you say I'm coming for your crown and you gingerly hand over your crown to them. Nobody never back gun on your head and say go play a match with him. Nobody never stick you up. So why did you? Why did you? And now everybody has said, one blonde them, one blonde them. That's why I tell you don't cause. Take it like a champ. Take the loss like a champ because them soon stop saying one blame them. Cause blame them not have nothing for offer. Then you think blame them have nothing for offer, blame them not even have prank. So what you have vex for? Exactly, him too confident because him have two little people in them corner and him feel said this can suffice him. I look in myself and say, what me I do to myself? Jaden is a nobody. You have to understand in a Jaden, when you go in a room, you read it before the room read you. You never know. Read the room before the room read you. Of course, Jaden frightened. To all you know, read the room, you have to reach out to Quiet Perry a second time. It hurt me, you see. But now I tell the life hurt me. You know why it hurt me, Jaden? Because when you reached out the first time, Quiet Perry go like him not know you. And him maintain that sort of ignorance towards you. And you still have to go a second time. But Perry may come for number one, no one likes you. But you now understand that the people them who like you, the ones them who you not play a match with. And me talk about your gifters. You and them now play a match. Yeah. And them are the ones who like you and care about you. And are the ones where you are running on. But you rather disrespect everybody when I have an highlight, when I have a highlight, for the ones who have highlight. I only can talk to you, Jaden. I only can talk to you and tell you the truth. As I say, I want to cuss you and rub you out a whole heap of time as God be my witness. As God be my witness, Jaden. Be that thing say, me and your family, I want to rub you. I want to rub you. I want to rub you. A whole heap of things I say you do, I want to rub you. All you know for cuss Rosalie because you Rosalie in Italy help grab the internet. You know dog shit, you know. I want to put in my panty jar. I thought this already, and I thought this go. I could never ever accept blame them for my life. Never. And it's not a disrespect to anybody, but I could never accept blame them for my life. Never. Not in this lifetime, that lifetime, the one just a lifetime, or the lifetime we're so called. I could never accept him. You know why? And for such, me never give Jaden the same opportunity. Blame them never they go come for my life and say shit in a place. Shalom supposed to do that. Me would stand up on my life and make Shalom call me 100 transmissions, 100 shit in a plate, 100,000. That's Shalom's line. Theme line that. You get what me I say? I could have never sit down and him say go look for work, cause number one, you have no gift, you do a 9 to 5. Me work and collect my own based on what is innate. So there is no connection between you and I, for me and you to be sitting on the live and you're there and shit in a play transmission. You're not saying shit. You're not saying shit. You're not saying nothing all I know. So I don't understand how all I want to sit down and make the man this one and call it joke. And you look like a Jaden that gonna lock up the world for we. You look like a Jaden that gonna lock up for we, man. When everybody gone home, a Jaden have the key and the chain. For sure. You look like a him gonna lock up for we. Jaden too wicked, man. Jaden the man come out and say you have granny. Yeah, you say you have granny, you have mother. And that the man say. So, Jaden, let me know what I hear lock up the world, because I don't want to acquire much things. I don't want to acquire much things because I don't have too much things to let off. So let me know when you lock up here, sonny. I don't hear nothing about Fabi and the belly again. Like the internet shut down the breathing. You know this internet a contraceptive. This internet is contraceptive, you know? Look how the internet here do a terrible case of abortion. Then Fabi now about the breed, I don't hear nothing about the belly, but me I wait with my binoculars because my office. Fabi, carry your throat, come let me see if it a beat. Carry your throat, come let me see if it a beat. I like that color on you. I like nothing for me, Dahlia. Dahlia don't like nothing for me. Oh, don't like nothing. My little arm a beat me all on the semester, so. The order, there's a transformation going on. Yeah? Look how Rosalie, she feel like she dip on top. Me hear somebody leave a video say, people must stop class Rosalie because Rosalie have a jakes. Let me tell you something, say some of the girl don't like justify man too much. Rosalie don't have a man. Rosalie is not in any position to mind a man. Number one, Rosalie have a man, well like what she do. Then you think if Rosalie never worked the internet. And that's what to justify for enough man, you know. And that's what to justify for enough men. For true, when to justify one thing, when to put up a lot of justifications. When to justify for a lot of men. You ever talk about shit? You know, enough for one would have love this and love that. What are the people? Hello? Yes, sir. Yeah. No, I want woman, man. I want big woman. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, wanna justify. Yeah, unnecessary justification. Because let me tell you this. You see, sometimes a lot of you ladies like to do this. A lot of you ladies like to do this. I'm gonna say this oftentimes. None of you not live no life if you not carry on a relationship on the internet. You not live no life. Gone are the days when Facebook used to have couples and post them picture. I go to with Ozzy and my picture post, and you go on it and you press like or you scroll past. Gone are the days, everybody come on the internet and I showcase something that is not real. We know say Rosalie pay for the service. We know she's paying for the service. You see, enough of a girl not talking about not a buy body in a relationship, you know. Enough of a don't talk. I wonder if them girls know say them not have no man today. When I have no man, you know, I pay a cocky when I buy in a relationship, you know. Let me tell you something, enough of a girl not like when I talk, because when I talk, I step on the corner and I don't have not even money. Enough of a girl a baby father, where you have to my baby father and pick me. When I ask you, when you see Anna get up and you see red and cook fish, love my family them, red and dirty suck cocky Anna, love my family them, leave my you know, say one day them are going to eat me. One day the ants family are going to eat me. How much they are going to eat me? Then you see how life funny? You see how life funny? Imagine, you know, and he come out and say, me I look red and our son-in-law, and the evidence dead. Our son-in-law eat me every single chance him get. Red hands give up now. Give up hands. You not hurt me, no, you know. Give up. You must can release me. No, but it's not like, thank you very much, my baby. It's not princess, thank you. It's not like me, I tell. A Princess Nikki B this. Princess Nikki B, move your dirty blood finger and go. Then me don't know you. Me know you. Princess Nikki B, go from your son, a glass house you used to run. Where ya? Oh, Princess Nikki, what bench? What go to them? What I'm here while I'm polite with you. I'm here used to run the road. I'll drop in a gutter water and take up Jaden. Lord Jesus, I'm reach a Jaden at the Wingworm Park. Catch me. Look here, Jaden. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's true. The hype and festivity and excitement over. It is over. Why you block her? Why she ask an unnecessary question? You know, you see the relevance in that? Mama ask you. Why is it that she's asking an unnecessary question? Who this? I don't know who you Middle East man. Yeah. When I see the hype and excitement over, what it profit a man to gain this world and lose his soul? Answer the question. The hype and excitement over, my crowd and me have me no craven. Me alright with my 5 people them over here so. You see my 5 people them have on my live at daytime, me alright with them. Me sit down and talk to my 5, my 4, my 3, my 2 and my 1. You understand me when me have a daytime? I am okay. Me no need nobody if you say come and make you play a match, go suck your mother. My program is not about match. I wanna say one cause me I say my book I'm hungry, I'm naked. But I have dignity and morals. My program isn't about match. Me not gonna sit down and match out the whole of my program. Me have stress working class and working class has stress. No. I'm smarter than Uno. I work for the year and when time tax return come, I bad up the people. I bad up the people, I'll hold them out. Yeah, me wait on the tax return time yet. And the tax return time. More about 5 grand from everybody off of my program. And who can give me 10,000 US dollar, give me 10,000 US dollar, yeah. Each, you know, each. When you hear me, each. I make sure I tell you, because I don't want to start the bad up early. So I just tell you, pop up. February, March, and April, no, they're not trick me. Come suck out my nose hole, they're not trick me. The last time when they tell me all in December. You guys pranked me. I'm not going to work this trip. Me know the workplace. So somebody said January 24th. May I write down your name? I want my pen now. May I write down your name? Remember I order me and take. May I write down your name? January 24th? Also must come back January 24th? I just wonder if I come back January 24th. Check my February 31st. How many more my blood this? No man, that's not the air ramp with me. No, this card for one Gatorade, that's not the air ramp with me. But wait, me no cook. Lord Jesus, me have no food to eat. I don't cook. What am I gonna eat? What am I gonna eat? now about Jaden. Jaden, let me tell you the truth. I read a comment and I hear one girl text about blame them at the breath of fresh air that I need. And me I say fresh air, blame them. But you see, you have to understand. More I'm going panel for you. But when I see a show, me will talk it. Guess what me say from you? Go to me, Jaden, you're mad. Jaden, you're mad. And when me I know you in a bleaching outfit, you never have no go-in clothes. You're mad. You remember one of my friends named Kian. No yard clothes, I pay a bleaching outfit when you're not bleach. But couldn't make you get through with me. But couldn't make you do that with me, Jaden. Me that wrap you for free. Yeah. No, sister, we didn't like Jaden. No, I still like Jaden. I don't want to say it. I like Jaden, especially first time. I like Jaden. This every time they must say him and Destiny there. I just love it. And love him and say, yeah man, I'm a girl. For sure, I like Jaden have some personality, and I don't miss it. Jaden have some personality that is very nice. But me don't know, you say, if I'm go up in the upper enchalant, yeah, him just get hype and him don't realize that them not like him because all them I do, I try to get him down. Look what they did to Britney, box down Bobby Brown and take her Whitney. But when people talk to me and say people bad mind, remember when I cuss about my fridge. When I cuss about my fridge, I've never yet cussing about on a game chair. And I cuss about my fridge. I say every day I do, I sit down on my fridge and blah blah. But I sit down on my fridge and I sit down in one place because I don't want to be two places with you guys. That's why I sit down in one place. I don't want the two places with you. Remember say no good. When I tell Jaden say them not like him and me first come out and say Jaden them group up. Them group up like Bunny, them a stages production, them group up. What you do, you ignore me. But you cannot do people like that on the internet. You have to allow people to love you because you don't have no name. Number one, you don't even have address. So you have to allow people to love you. You can't walk on and love everybody. When I see how long you did it, and then when World Dog mash up, World Dog I come to you, healings, and look how long you did it, Jesus have mercy. Me don't know you know Jaden, but if you was my brother, me not like I even for borrow the drunk or wing and give you a flying kick. If I even for borrow a passing drunk or wing and give you a flying kick. You think I joke? With that chest or back, tell me which part you want it. No, it's not like me I tell. When I see World Dog, you know how long you did, you know how long, you know World Dog, you know how long World Dog got your boy and decked himself towards your name. You know how long? God Almighty, man. God Almighty. Notice how none of them now come back beside you. Time for you come down, them and say. Notice how none of them now run you down. None of them know why you hype no more. None. Jaden, I only can tell you the truth. You should have never played with blame them. You should never play with blame them. You're too sure. Blame them no want the win and blame them need a hide. The win is unnecessary to blame them. Worse him help shoot for himself. It's unnecessary. It's important to you. And because you allow him to know that it's important to you, that is why he's doing you like a 360. You never know. Honestly, when I see you, Rosalie and Italia rap the internet and know to live like cut short, then own to be somebody. Then all want for really be somebody. Then all people for respect all uno. At them something me talk about. At them something I feel now. And you not understand me and say, oh me for reason with all uno. Jaden, you lucky me like you. Me hear Rosalie come back and class, you know, and so no buy this and no pay for this and no pay for that. Me no know how no do it. Me no know how no do it, but una some different set of species. Me no know how no do it, you know, but una different. They have no morals. It's true. Them not have none for true. I own this boy they are young. Come and me educate some of you. Come here. Come here. Let me educate some of you. You see, when me, I want a little baby girl I grow up. When somebody reach 30, them full of gray hair. And them life done at 30. Ask my mama. Ask my mother. You see, when time I reach teenage stage, when you reach 50, your life done. So tell me, which one of them pick where I ride bike and bicycle young? Exactly. Where you want more one vehicle? First you have to know for a drive, then you go buy your license because you can't read and write. But you know what you want out of life, and you don't even start life yet. You're not even independent, you're still dependent. You're still under the government of your parents. You understand me? But yet still, you look on the outside and you picture